USA, 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 USA. Kwambe, kwambe, kaimarandi esi were wena. Kwambe, kwambe, kaimarandi esi were wena. Chukwu, Chukwu, Chukwu. Come to me in all states in USA. Yeah? Come to me in California. Come to me in Los Angeles, California, USA. Come to me in East Los Angeles, California, USA. USA, USA, USA. USA, USA, USA. Kwambe, kwambe. Kaimarandi esi were wena. Namo Nkwu kwambe, kwambe. Kaimarandi esi were wena. Chukwu kwambe, kwambe. Kaimarandi esi were wena. Nkwuaku kwambe, kwambe. Kaimarandi esi were wena. Agbeligba kwambe, kwambe. Kaimarandi esi were wena. Igbaku enyi kwambe, kwambe. Kaimarandi esi were wena. Akaku kwambe, kwambe. Akwolulu kwambe, kwambe. Kaimarandi esi were wena. Okwala agụ na-atụ enwe egwu. Chukwu, Chukwu, Special General 2233, dark all night. Ogbanabu, to build Ogbanabu here in USA. Like a technology, we have access wherever we are in the whole world. Ogbanabu, Ogba, O-G-B-A, Ogba, N-A-B-U, Ogbanabu, Ogbanabu, 2-stage, Ogbanabu, 2-stage, Ogbanabu, 2-stage, Eziokwu, E-Z-I-O-K-W, Eziokwu, and Eziokwu in English means truth. Ogbanabu, Eziokwu, truth, like a truth, and technologies, energies. Ogbanabu, Eziokwu, the stage, truth, between the living and the dead, between physical world and spiritual world. We call that Ogbanabu, Eziokwu, Ogbanabu, 2-stage. Eziokwu, truth, between the living and the dead, between physical world and spiritual world. But built here in the world. We have access to Ogbanabu anywhere we are. But base here in USA, Ogbanabu. Remember in the there was a place in the scripture, when Moses rescued the Israelites, when they already crossed the sea. Sometimes when he wanna go pray, he move away from all the other Israelites. He goes to a particular place. There he speak with the Most High, one-on-one, face-to-face. They are called Ogbanabu, between the living and the dead, between the physical world and the spiritual world. In Ogbanabu, truth, we have easy access to whatever going on in the spiritual realm. All the energy is there. All the energy is there. The solution we are seeking, we can be able to get easy solution into our science and technologies. We can be able to have what we call beatific vision. Beatific vision. And beatific vision means you see face to face with the Most High. Face to face with the Most High. Face to face with Lord Almighty. Face to face with Chukwu. Face to face. Yeah? It could be in vision, it could be in dream, it could be through our science and technologies. Yeah? The real vision, the real message, yeah? From the ancestors, from the spiritual realm, all the energies there, the solution we are seeking, a particular issue going on, then we can be able to access and get the free and easy and simple solution and the way moving forward, moving humanity world forward. They are all about Ogbanabu, two-stage. Ogbanabu Eziokwu, two-stage truth between the physical world and spiritual world. They are technology. Then we can be able to easily all the science and technologies, the Asian men and Asian women, all the energies there, the spirit energies in the spiritual world, the good energies, we can be able, all their power, authorities, manifestation, blessing, healing, copy and come to us. And physical, copy and come to us. First, let's build the Ogbanabu. I use male cow, female cows, roosters, hens, rams, you can get mother goats, or 33, 22, 33 kola nut, drinks, wine, all that goes into the body that are good. We use them to bring all the energies together, both physical and spiritual, and physical energy, mad woman, all our energies. Then we copy all the energies and bring them together, all the energies in the spiritual realm. Use them, bring them together. Then all the energies there in the spiritual realm, in the spiritual world, that are fighting the world, that are against the world, or the dead, or the ancestors there, to convert them and win them to us. Dwelling all the energies there that have negative garments, garment aworo, garment clothing, asi, lies, era, false and fake. We use all animals, roosters, hens, frogs, goat, agama lizards, owls, grasshoppers, orange, sugar, pepper soup, take them out. Then all the negativities there, the conspire there, the base, conspire in spiritual world and the spiritual realm there, fighting us to destroy all of them. I use all animals, roosters, hens, 33 bitter colors, male dog, okenkita, male dogs, okobago, utinku chicken, 4 he goats, baby spiders, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins. Destroy and turn all of them upside down. I destroy them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. We bring them together. We are building our Ogbanabu, the real Ogbanabu, in 22:33 dark, 22:33 dark all night. Then let's move worldwide. All the Ogbanabu, Eziokwu, they claim, they say, this Ogbanabu, Eziokwu, between the living and the dead. But they are doing total different stuff there. All the Ogbanabu, Eziokwu, in all Africa, in Nigeria, north, south, east, and west in Nigeria, in all the Igbo land in Nigeria, in Omure, Nigeria, in Enugu, Agoku, Noria, and Obu Eziokwu, inside Ogbanabu there, in Enugu Agede, all the Ogbanabu worldwide, wherever they build them, in their science and technologies, in Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, wherever they are, basically on false, lies, fake, doing total different stuff against the world, against Mali, against us, against USA. Dwelling in gospel, dwelling in negativities, using good power in the wrong direction, using good power and good energies, and trying to turn them around against the world, dwelling in Ogbanabu, giving negative prophecies against the world, fighting the world, fighting USA here, saying, time shall come, this country will be wiped out with earthquake. Time shall come, this country, half of this country will be gone by flooding, water everywhere, tsunami everywhere, famine everywhere, giving fake prophecies, turning the good energies, making them and converting good energies to be bad, to destroy all of them, all the Ogbanabu, basically built on false and lie inside all their Obu house meal, inside all their Mbuke house kitchen, to destroy all of them, and their Ogbanabu, the two stage between the living and the dead, and the dead, Ogbanabu, Eziokwu, the truth, the two stage. I use all animals, roaster, sense, 3 bitter colors, male dog, okenkita, male dogs, okabagu, otinku chicken, 4 he goats, baby spoilers, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins, all the thrones of kings and queens there, destroy and turn all of them upside down. I destroy them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And to block them, I use all animals, roaster, sense, 3 bitter colors, uncountable rabbits, male dog, uncountable rabbit, ebo ngene green, blocking, Chukwu and Ndotie walls, all colors blocking, biophysical and spiritual giant walls, block all of them. I block them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And to cover all of them, I use black blanket, aquaji, black trash bags, plastic bags, wakele, all of them there, cover all of them, put them in basket, tie them, chain them, blind them, block them, bury them, cover all of them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And I say, all the negative and all the Ogbanabu, two stage, Eziokwu, truth, between the living and the dead, built basically on false and lies, cease to exist in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. All the energies there and all the different Ogbanabu worldwide, two stage, truth between the living and the dead. The energies there, the spirit energies there, they put negative garment, negative, ashe, clothing, ashe, lies, false and fake, using them against the world. And all the Okuku Calabash energies there, and I quote, they turn against the world, sitting there, blocking the truth from rising, blocking the truth from rising, the truth buried there. All, I use all animals, roaster, sense, frogs, goat, agama lizard, owls, grasshoppers, oranges, sugar, pepper soup, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter colors, burning incense, burning sage, free all, and take out all the negative garments. Then we bring them, copy all, bring them together to our own Ogbanabu. Our Ogbanabu built completely. Then all the money, woman worldwide, USA first, USA NATO, all that support USA, all the good countries that support USA, moving them forward, their friends and well-wishers, but prayer, all my prayer base here, first in USA. Then they are up to United States to choose who they are, who their enemies are, and who their real friend, and the good country that support them. Then they can help them. But all my prayer first base here. We copy, we bring them together. All Udo Budo, red from fire element. All Ngene green from earthland element. All Arrow, yellow from air wind element. All Ogubo, blue from water element. All Ijito Sarko, male and female, red, from fire element. All the Jite male and female, green, from earthland element. All the Jite Ora and Akora, air wind, uses yellow, male and female, from air wind elements. All the Jitobi, Akobi, blue, from water element, uses blue, from water element, male and female. Akodi, Akobala, Ajan Uku, Ajan Lanta, higher and lower justices. Chukwu and Ndotia, all the justices, all the 7 Gs, all the energies, physical and spiritual, here on earth, in the world, up there, sun, moon, all universe, all planet, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, asteroid, heaven, there, up there, black hole, all the energies come together, all the ancestors worldwide, the dead worldwide, all the energies there, all the Okuku Calabash energies, and our Kotule of power, authorities, manifestation, physical and spiritual, come together, come into our Ogbanabu, all the energies, come in. All my Korafe Gabriel Ure, come in. All the Obu, all the Mbuke, come in. All the justices, come in. Truth, Unre, Omazi, little children, teen, Isia Banya, dreadlock, worldwide or what? Chukwu and Ndotie, all the physical and spiritual, all their justices, and all the elements, their justices, their 7 Gs, come in. All those come in. Odi atonupa aka atonupa ora atonupa atonupa otule atonupa okala odi otule okala ora ngune eri agu ngenago. All the energies worldwide in all countries we copy. Come in to form this our prayer. Complete our Ogbanabu. 2 stages between the living and the dead. Eziokwu truth. Come together, build. We use maker, female car, roaster, sense, rams, you can get mother goods, all 33, 22, 33 cola nuts, drinks, wine, all that are good. Uncountable water, built, and Ogbanabu and the technologies and the energies and all come together and USA. All of muddy women that support USA. We stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace, worldwide and USA. We skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbit, asteroid, heaven, earth, black hole, up there. But we stand up in Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent. We even stand up in all the Igbo land, in Nigeria, north, south, east, and west. We stand up in Enugu town, no Aguku town, Noria town, Enugu Agede town, in Omunre, where they buried the truth. They refuse to speak the truth and bury the truth. We all stand up there and copy all the technologies there. They think they can hide against the world. We bring them in and copy them. We stand up, moving forward. Prayer, we use water, boil, eggs, drinks, food, all that goes into the body that are good. This prayer, their energy, their power, authorities, manifestation, all solution. All solution, easy, simple solution, moving forward, stay healthy, stand firm, no folly. Welcome into our body foundation, science and technologies. Prayer, transfer to all states in USA, transfer to White House, USA, transfer to President Joe Biden and Kamala Harris, transfer to Obama and Michelle Obama, transfer to all the Democrats, the senators, the reps, the governors, and all voting in Democrats. Transfer to all the Republicans, the GOP, transfer to their Senate, their House, all their governors, all their state, all state USA. Transfer to USA Police, Sheriff, CIA, Secret Service, FBI, Military, Navy, Air Force, Marine, Coast Guard, Border Patrol, Custom, Immigration. Transfer to Allied Universal Security, Securitas, Homeland Security here. Transfer to them. Transfer to all the school here in USA, all the health field, all health school. Transfer to them. Transfer to on this and all my prayer. Transfer to defy Defi City College. Defi City College. They are in Manchester Avenue and Manchester Avenue in Los Angeles, California. Here. Consult to them for free. Consult to all the hospitals, dental, psych ward, recuperative care. All the emergencies, consult to them. Consult to Serenity Recuperative Care. Consult to all the parks, museums, beaches here in USA. Consult to all their office, their science and technologies. Consult to all USA legislation, executive, judicial. Consult to Serenity Recuperative Care and all their sites and their science and technologies are here in East Los Angeles, California, North Chicago Street, and other sites. All their friends and well-wishers, and the office in Carson, Albertoni and Avalon, and inside that Casino Mall, their office there. All my prayer, transfer to them, transfer to all them. Serenity Recuperative Care, I'm moving them forward. Transfer into all the sports, all the league. Transfer to Premier League, Champions League, UEFA, FIFA, UEFA, FIFA, all the league, both male and female. Transfer to my club, Chelsea FC, both male and female. Transfer into MLS, MLS. Transfer to MLS. Transfer to LA Galaxy. Transfer to them. Transfer into NBA. Transfer to my Lakers. Transfer into MLB, baseball. Transfer to Los Angeles Dodgers. Transfer into NFL. Transfer to Los Angeles Rams. Transfer to Los Angeles Rams. Transfer into NHL, hockey. Transfer to LA Kings. Transfer to LAFC. Transfer to Chivas, Mexico. Transfer to Club America, Mexico. They are playing now. They just scored. Transfer to them. Transfer to all Mexico country and to all Mexicans worldwide. And here in USA, transfer to them. Transfer to all the galaxies, the fan base. LA Royal Squad, ACB, Outlaw, and all their fans. Their friends and well-wishers. And the Dignity Health Sports Park. Transfer there. Transfer to Carson. Transfer to LA County. Transfer to California State Government, Governor Gavin Newsom, Sacramento. Transfer to our Mayor, Kerim Bells. Transfer to Mike Gibson, our Assembly member. Transfer to Stevenson Park. Transfer to All Star Soccer. Transfer to us. Transfer to Nkwuaku family. All our friends and well-wishers and all that love us, transfer to them and moving us forward. And continue to move us forward in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. I call your name, I didn't call your name, transfer to you guys. Transfer into all the USA science and technologies. So Maribi, you say, Sanko FM, Chief Priest, Peter Odira Nkwuaku in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief Priest what? Chief Priest USA. All transfer to all into our phones, our laptop, all the network here, the TV network, channels, radio channels and network, all the cable, all the phone companies, and transfer to Cricket. And all my prayer and this, transfer to Cricket Wireless. I used to be their customer, but since I moved to a recuperative care, I'm unable to pay the phone bill. They block all my line and shut my line down. But I still pray for them because I like them. That green in the green they have in their foundation, Cricket Wireless, they have green, and that green have significance, meaning to what I practice, to my ancestors, Tiger God, the Earthland energy, Ngene Ago, Ngene green, uses green color, Earthland. I continue to pray for them, transfer to Cricket. Then all my prayer and this, transfer to Spectrum, Spectrum and other companies, cable companies, transfer to you guys, transfer to Cinemark, movies, here in USA, movie industries, Hollywood, Marvel Studio, Warner Bros. Music Industries, all musicians, transfer to my own account metal, a musician's queen. All my prayer go to her, transfer to her. Yeah? Transfer to us for free. Transfer to all free mercenaries here, USA. Mercenaries here worldwide, here in USA, Amok, the secretions, Ekis, Ikanka, all the Oboni here. Yeah? Transfer to all for free. Transfer to Wicca, transfer to all practicing witchcraft here in USA, using them to move us forward. Transfer to all the emergency vehicles, firefighters, all at the front line. Transfer to us. Transfer to all the ambulance, the paramedics, all here working and unemployed. Transfer to us. And this transfer to all the justice here in USA, USA Supreme Court Justice. Transfer to them. Transfer to all for free and continue to move us forward. All the foundation transfer. So Moribi, you say, USA, 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 oh, welcome. Oh, answer your name, oh, answer your name. Mbombo. Answer your name, oh, answer your name. Mbombo. Answer your name, oh, answer your name. Mbombo, my name. Mbombo, my name. Mbombo, my name. Mbombo. Ine gaya gaya we. Ine gaya gaya we. USA, USA, USA. Ine gaya gaya we. Ine gaya gaya we. USA, USA, USA. Ebozi na apacheki ibu n'obembe, opi ike na-ada. Ebozi na apacheki ibu n'obembe, opi ike na-ada. Ebozi na egede ki ba opi ike na-ada. Ebozi na egede ki ba opi ike na-ada. USA, Jizọs na-akpa ya oku n'ugwu, opi ike na-ada. Mana ọ na-akpa ya oku n'ugwu, opi ike na-ada. Jizọs na-akpa ya oku n'ugwu, opi ike na-ada. Mana ọ na-akpa ya oku n'ugwu, opi ike na-ada. Ị na-egbu m egbu, ị na-egbu m egbu, gbube mụ na mmanwụ m oyi, ọja welele. Ị na-egbu m egbu, gbube mụ na mmanwụ m oyi, ọja welele egwu m oyi, ọja welele ka m ji eje. Ọja welele egwu m oyi, ọja welele ka m ji ana oyi, ọja welele. USA, 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 kpọjala akpọjal. USA, kpọjala akpọjal, kpọjala akpọjal, kpọkpọkpọkpọkpọ, 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 forward.